Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in a Ford Bronco Sport. First, park your vehicle on a level surface and allow the engine to cool completely. Gather all your supplies, including a new oil filter, 6 quarts of 5W30 full synthetic motor oil, a drain pan, and a 15mm wrench. Safety is key, so consider wearing gloves and eye protection. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient oil change process. Now, let's get to the dirty work. Safely lift the front of your Bronco Sport using a jack and secure it with jack stands. Locate the oil drain plug, which is typically a 15mm bolt, on the bottom of the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly underneath it. Carefully loosen and remove the drain plug, allowing the old oil to flow completely into the pan. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Once the old oil has fully drained, replace the drain plug with a new washer and tighten it securely. Next, locate the old oil filter. Use an oil filter wrench to remove it, being mindful of any residual oil. Apply a thin layer of new oil to the gasket of your new filter before screwing it on by hand until snug. Finally, add 6 quarts of fresh 5W30 synthetic motor oil through the oil fill cap. After adding the new oil, lower your vehicle and start the engine. Let it run for a few minutes, then check for any leaks around the drain plug and the new oil filter. Turn off the engine, wait a few minutes, and then check the oil level with the dipstick, adding more if needed. Remember to dispose of your used oil responsibly at an auto parts store or recycling center. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.